welcome back to my channel. This is NK, and like I told you in previous videos, we're gonna just get real as I can be. Right now, have a face mask, wearing what I wore to bed. It's 11:30ish in the morning, and I'm getting ready for a big weekend. So this weekend is Halloween. There's also a music festival happening in San Francisco called Elsarlands, if anyone is familiar. So I will be attending that for Saturday and Sunday. It is a 3-day festival, but I'm only going 2 days. But then tonight I am going out with my friends to go to some bars and celebrate Halloween. I will be in a Halloween costume later this evening, and I can show you guys a little bit about that later. I wasn't feeling very good this week. I wasn't feeling 100%, which sucks because we all want to feel our best. We all want to feel 100%, and that just hasn't been the case for me, unfortunately. But I took time just to honestly relax and chill out, meaning I did not even step outside of my apartment for the past two days. I did all the things that I like doing to feel better, which include tea and emergency and taking medicine and sleeping and drinking so much water. I don't think I've drank this much water in a long time. So, hey, I guess that's a good thing. But I do feel so much better, and I'm just hoping that I do get to my 100% this day that I will be doing. So I woke up and ate. I've been eating oatmeal a lot in the morning. I think I really like oatmeal as like a fall, winter morning breakfast. Something when I wake up, I always want something warm. Like that's just what I crave. So it's kind of what I've been doing for the past few days. I am currently doing laundry. So I have a mountain of laundry that I've been putting off just because I haven't been feeling good, and I'm not gonna lug all these clothes downstairs and upstairs in my apartment complex because it is multiple floors to go all the way down, and it's pretty heavy. So I waited until I felt good enough to walk downstairs with all the stuff, which was this morning. So I have multiple loads, so it's going to be a few hours of laundry, so I'm doing that intermittently. I haven't tried on my Halloween costume, meaning I have the parts to it and they've just been in my room. I just haven't felt up for putting it all on. So it's funny because you would think, usually it's like, oh, you do like a test run, you put it on by yourself, and then you look at how it looks and you're like, okay, cool, or whatever. I usually do that. We're winging it this time. Parts together will look cute. It's just, I guess I'll just see it when I get ready this evening. Other than that, I am working on trying to edit as many YouTube videos as I can and scheduling them. I feel like that's been serving me really well, just to not think about, oh, I have to do it every single day. I spend like a few hours doing a few and then just schedule them out. So I love that YouTube has that feature. After laundry, I will be taking a shower, and then I will get into some of the other things I have to do for the day. There's a few brand collabs that I need to respond to via email, and I also need to plan out my feed for Instagram. I try to do it 1 week at a time. So I batch shoot and then edit all the pictures and schedule them in later, and then write the captions, put in the hashtag so that they're ready for each day, which has honestly been a game changer. The process is a lot. That whole thing I just said takes like 4 to 5 hours, 5 to 6 hours, depends on the day, the week. And this weekend, I usually do it on the weekend. This weekend is pretty packed, so I will have to carve out some time today. So I'm trying to do that. Pictures that I've already shot, I haven't been able to edit, so I'm gonna carve out that this afternoon. I also do have a business call later today, which I'm looking forward to, and just making sure that I'm eating my meals, because sometimes when I'm so busy I don't even eat, which is not good. So that's kind of that. This face mask is from No Beauty. They sent it over, so thank you, No Beauty, for sending this over. It is the charcoal detoxifying mask, and if you guys don't know about like the benefits of charcoal, definitely read up on them, research them. Charcoal is amazing for your teeth, for your base, for everything. I've been using this once or twice a week. Feels great, and I feel like once I take it off, my skin just immediately looks a little healthier than it did before. I leave it on for like 20 minutes. So like I said, I'm gonna be going to go grab my laundry soon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon. I wanted to hop on here and show you guys a milestone that I just reached today, October 29th. I know this is going to go out days later, but I got to 1 million views on Pinterest, monthly views. I'm really happy about it. Thank you to everybody who has viewed my channel, saved, shared, hearted. It means so much to me. I started really focusing on this only 2 months ago. So I went from 55,000 monthly views to 1 million in 2 months. I started August 24th. So yes, like 2 months, like I said, and I'm really proud of my growth. Possibly make a mini course for how to grow traffic on Pinterest, because I feel like I definitely have that down at this time. But yeah, this is my handle, and this is how you can find me, and I cannot believe it. 1 million. Just a little plug to continue what you're doing. Be consistent. Don't think you can't do something. Don't doubt yourself. Just keep on pushing every day, and little growth is still growth. So with that, I'm actually gonna wrap up the video here because it'll be pretty late when I start to get ready for the Halloween festivities, but I will make a video. It's just not gonna be in this same video. It's just gonna be in a completely different video, and I'm gonna just do a day in the life of like getting ready for the night and showing you guys how I'm gonna paint my face. I'm doing it all by myself. I'm a little nervous, but I love like doing fun makeup, and this will definitely be one of the biggest challenges I've ever done. Stay tuned for that. That will go up next after this one. Everyone have a safe and happy Halloween. I know this is gonna go out. This is gonna go out on Halloween. So happy Halloween, everybody. Be safe, make good choices, have fun, look cute, and we will talk soon. Bye.